Oh no, it's all banged up, I think. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. LJ FELIX? Yeah, thank you. Well, that was a bit tiring, but it was fun. It was fun to do that. It's always, there's always something with unboxing stuff that is actually excites you to do something. It took me around 25 to 30 minutes to actually assemble, take it out of the box and everything else, and it's already pre-assembled. Attached the handlebars, this LCD screen on top of the handlebars. There's 2 pegs, that was pretty cool. And of course the pedals. There were 2 concerns, I guess, with unboxing this thing. It did have like a minor scratch on the side, and the chain was undone. And of course the chain was, pretty simple, and a little bit of greasy hands, and gotta get some stuff dirty. Oh, but another thing, this one first. Hang on. Recycle. Filled with styrofoam. A bit sweaty too. Oh, now let's give this thing a test. Oh. The seat's comfortable at least. And power. Where's, oh, it's down here, I bet, yeah. What? Where? Oh, I need to charge the battery first. Battery time, battery. Okay, here we go. Oops. Instructions, and here's the brick. Oh. Warranty cover.
Because our high today, 95 degrees in Jax, all right? 93 in St. Augustine, 96 in Mayport, 91 in Valdosta. That you can get sunburned very quickly, but this is why you can get dehydrated, heat exhaustion, a heat rash, all of the above pretty quickly, because by 1 o'clock, you feel like you're in the triple digits in some spots. And then that trend continues through 3:30 and even 5:30. You're gonna feel like you're at 100 degrees in Jacksonville. Lord, I'd be finding some air conditioning, sit in it.
All right. Oh, that was fun actually. That was hella fun. I mean, it still got me to this place right here, which is a long distance away. Learn from my mistakes that upon unboxing, if ever you do get this bike, don't do what I did with unboxing it downwards. Make sure to stand it upright and then just cut the board from there, and then you could take off the bike. Because when I did it my way, I kind of like scratched it when I was like pulling it out. And do not plan ahead of anything else, because don't expect to ride this out of the box. Leave some time leeway to charge the battery first. This is definitely an upgrade from the F2. Although the F2 is pretty much stylish in a way, where it kind of looks like a motorcycle, if you will. You know, it's the trusty e-bike for delivery. It really is. This one is primarily for delivery packages for like, you know, for like DoorDash. Got this huge cargo rack in the back, especially with an additional pet trailer, which I'll show you possibly in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, of course. Thank you. So speaking of deliveries, this can carry about 400 pounds, including yourself. So if you do plan to make like some extra cash for like some deliveries, like food deliveries, Instacarts, or for your personal businesses that requires you to make a couple of trips to the post office to deliver and all those things, and this is like the easiest and fun way to do it. And it's cheaper on gas. I mean, it takes 0 gas, but yeah, you know what I mean. Or if you just want to go simply outdoors, carrying some stuff and enjoy the view outdoors. Now it's either here to the park or to the beach or wherever that you have a favorite spot on. You could just tag along this and bring a bunch of load of stuff. The recommended height for this kind of bike is around 4'10" to 5'9". So anybody that is about 6 foot, you will feel the change of this kind of size of a bike. So this is packing with 750 watt motor, a 48 volt battery, about 4.5 hour charging time. That's why it took me a bit from charging the battery out of the box. A 60-mile range. I could make a lot of dough with DoorDash on this thing with 28 miles max speed. Of course, the professional fat tire, 20 inches, all terrain. Nice, very nice. Colored LCD display. This is kind of different for me because most of the LCDs are portrait rather than landscape. The assisted level is interesting because I keep switching it from 0 to 5. You know, whenever I need help pushing it uphill, I'd switch it up to 3, 4. 1 is kind of like the basic where you just want to start it off, and sure, why not? But I tend to do it all the way up to 4 most of the time. 5 if you really want to reach that max speed to 25, and that is really gonna push it. The frame is pretty durable and it's bright yellow, so it's pretty good because it's for safety reasons too, so that, you know, cars could easily spot you in the road. So yellow is a pretty good idea for this kind of bike, especially when it's always going to be on the road when you're making deliveries. DoorDash, look out, right? It still has this water bottle holder, of course, in case you get thirsty out of the road. If you are interested in getting this bike, I do have a discount code for you. It's LJ60, LJ60 for a special code. Go check it out. I have affiliate links down below. I did a video for the Nakto F2, and that is a fabulous bike, don't get me wrong, but this one feels like it's a lot smoother for some reason, even though these tires are a bit smaller than the F2. I mean, I did the F2 right here if you want to watch, by the way, just in case. Yeah. And this just feels like it's a lot smoother and a lot powerful. It just feels like it. I think the frame is the most important part, especially when you got deliveries. So this is a nice thing to add, but that's why it kind of got heavier than the F2. And it's nice that it has all these caution tapes and all that, and reflective tapes around all of the bike, which is pretty neat and pretty important too for your safety. Exercise, don't forget, you should always exercise. Even though if it's an electric bike, it gets you like an excuse to actually get outdoors, which is a good thing. Look at this. I actually missed this, and it's important for your mental health too. I mean, once in a while you get outdoors. Having an electric bike really does it for you. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe, do all that things, and if ever you do want to check out this bike, there's an affiliate link down below. You can use my code LJ60
to get a special discount. All for you guys, don't worry. I got you. It's hot, by the way. I think I got water.
That trend continues through 3:30 and even 5:30. You're gonna feel like you're at 100 degrees in Jacksonville. Lord.